If you don't have AHPRA registration, you cannot work as a nurse in Australia, and many people get this process wrong. Welcome back to Purpose Path TV Global. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to apply, what documents you need, and how to avoid delays so you can get approved faster. Part 1. What is AHPRA? Australian Health Practitioner Regulation Agency, AHPRA. AHPRA is the official body that regulates nurses in Australia. Without AHPRA, 1. You cannot work legally. 2. You cannot get most nursing jobs. So this is your first and most important step. Part 2. Eligibility. To qualify, you must have 1. A nursing degree, BSN or equivalent. 2. Valid nursing license, like NMCN. 3. Clinical experience. Tip: recent experience increases your chances of approval. Part 3. English requirements. You must pass one of these. IELTS academic. Minimum 7.0 in all sections. OET. Minimum grade B. Important. Many nurses prefer OET because it is healthcare based. Part 4. Documents required. You will need 1. Passport. 2. Nursing certificate. 3. Academic transcript. 4. License verification. 5. Work experience proof. Very important. All documents must be properly certified. Part 5. Application process. Now, here's how to apply. Go to AHPRA website. Fill your application form. Upload your documents. Pay the required fees. Make sure everything is correct before submitting. Part 6. Processing time. Processing usually takes 3 to 6 months. Sometimes longer if documents are incomplete. Verification delays occur. Part 7. Outcome. You can get direct registration. You can start working. Or additional requirements. You may need further assessment or training. Part 8. Common mistakes. Avoid these mistakes. 1. Submitting wrong documents. 2. Low English scores. 3. Incomplete application. 4. Not following guidelines. These can delay your approval. Call to action. If you're serious about working in Australia as a nurse, start your AHPRA process today. You can also get help with the registration and exam guidance via our exam and licensing partner, Healthcare Exam and Licensing Support for International Healthcare Professionals. Referral link in description if you need guidance for exams and licensing, or by scanning the barcode on the video. Like this video. Subscribe to Purpose Path TV Global. Comment, AHPRA, and I'll guide you.